In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download WinRAR on your computer. If you have downloaded zip files on your computer, such as this is a zip file, you will need WinRAR to be able to extract such files before you can install or run them. So let me show you how you can get WinRAR and be able to extract such type of files. The first thing you need to do is to open any browser and then search for WinRAR. And here is the website. Tap on it to open. Now the good thing is WinRAR is free and it is used worldwide by over 500 million users. And this is the best tool you can use to unpack or to compress any file. So from here, you will see a download option available here. Go ahead and tap on it to download. Now this will go ahead and begin the download process, and then tap again on download here. And then the download process will begin. As you can see, we are getting the best version of WinRAR. Now the good thing is it searches for your system. As you can see, I'm using the 64-bit system, and it went ahead and downloaded according to the version of my computer. Great, so our download is done. Now it's time to install it. So to install, go ahead and tap on it, and you can see here it is. To install it, just right click on it and then tap on run as administrator. So you will see a dialog box and then tap on yes. Now from here, you'll see the destination of the file where it will be stored. You can go ahead and change this folder where it will be stored. As you can see, this is a program file that will be stored on drive C. So you can go ahead and change it, but I recommend you leave it the way it is and go ahead and tap on install. And this will run on your computer, and then tap on OK. And as you can see, WinRAR has been successfully installed to this folder and done. Now from here, you can easily extract or compress files on your computer. So that's how you download and install WinRAR on your computer. If this video is helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.